Project risk management. Project risk management for advanced young professionals. Young professionals are sometimes willing to take risks unique interested, more experienced people than potential payoff from a unique interested plan impacts that might occur while balancing rewards. Then the second is the importance of project risk management. Process planning management declining how to approach and plan the risk management activities for the project, identifying risk, documenting and characteristic of each, performing qualitative impact of occurrence and performing quantitative risk analysis, numerically estimating for effects project objectives. Then the third is planning risk management. Of main output of this process is a risk management plan documents the procedures for managing risk throughout a project. Team should review project risk categories, lessons learned, reports, and pack projects management labs. It's also important to review the risk tolerance values. Then the project risk management, additional plans, contingency plans, predefined actions that project team will take if unidentified risk even occurs. Fallback plans. The risks are not effective contingency reserves of allowances funds included cost baseline that can be used. Common sources of risk on IT project. Several studies shows that IT projects share some common sources of risk. Standing group develop of IT success potential scoring sheet based on potential risk. Others risk financial risk technology risk people structure and process at a risk breakdown structure. Then identifying risk and understanding what potential events might hurt or enhance a particular project. You cannot manage risk if you do not identify them first. Another consideration is the likelihood of advanced discovery, often viewed at a program level rather than a project level suggestion. The risk register, important output of the risk identification process, list of identified risks and other information needed to begin creating a risk for documenting potential risk events and related information such as enhancement of the project. Thank you for listening and God bless. Project risk management.